everyone, in this video I'll show you what is the meaning of broadcast history. When you log into our Social Connect portal, under broadcast, the first option comes as broadcast history. Broadcast history is nothing, the history is the history of the broadcast that you have done over time. So you can select the channel over here. I'm choosing all channel. You can select the date, from which date to which date you want. I'm selecting 1st of October to 4th of October. Then the broadcast list comes. The number of broadcasts was done from this date to this date. You can see the broadcast name, the publish time, the time when the broadcast was started, the target users, submitted, the message that was submitted, the failed users, the message did not go to how many users, then sent report, then delivery rate and rate, red rate, and the status complete. Now you can shuffle short by A to Z, latest published, oldest published, minimum user count first, maximum user count first. For now I'm selecting latest public first. I'll apply, and the latest broadcast will come at first and the oldest will come at last. Now in the three dots there is an option to configure column. Column means this the report column. These are a column type. Okay, total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 columns you can configure, and you can choose which option you want, which option you don't. For example, you don't want the failed user, instead you want the click rate, or you don't want the submitted, you want the unsent or the completion time. You can tick and you can apply up to 9 columns. Your rate will change over here. Now the broadcast name, in here the three things will be not, that is broadcast name, target use, it cannot be changed. These 3 are mandatory, and remaining 6 you can customize in your reports. Now I'm showing you one of the report. If you click on these 3 dots, then you click on view broadcast, you can see your broadcast channel, your template, your WhatsApp responded, replied. You can see a graphical representation also over here. Okay, and then again if you click on 3 dot, you can copy a broadcast. You can also download. For downloading, there's an option called export broadcast. If you click on this export broadcast, your broadcast will get downloaded in the Excel file. This is how your Excel file will look. Your broadcast name, publish time, target, submitted, everything will be shown over here. You can download the reports and share. And after that, you can also, there's also an option to download this full from here to here. Do you want to full report? You just click on here, your all data will be exported. So this is all about broadcast history. Hope this video helped you. Thank you for your time.